As of November, we had 5 active wildfires within our watersheds. 2 of these, Cameron Peak and East Troublesome, are the largest wildfires in the history of Colorado. While we are in the early stages of the wildfire response, it was a success to rally stakeholders to begin the recovery process. We are grateful for the relationships that we've built over many years and that are proving to be absolutely critical to the wildfire recovery. On the west slope, a large group of stakeholders is collaborating to coordinate post-fire recovery efforts and organize the response. Northern Water is actively engaged in this group and coordinating much of the recovery response as it relates to watersheds and natural resources aspects. We're also partnering with East Slope stakeholders involved in the Cameron Peak recovery process, such as the City of Waukons, the City of Greeley, Larimer County, and many other agencies and stakeholders that are participating. The East Troublesome fire has affected significant portions of critical watersheds upstream of our West Slope collection system. On the West Slope, the burn area is so extensive, it is expected that post-fire runoff will affect all water bodies associated with the Colorado Big Thompson project. And that includes water quality impacts, sedimentation, and debris that might impact our infrastructure and operations. We're also concerned about the fire impacts on current initiatives that we have been involved with for many years around Three Lakes water quality, Grand Lake Clarity, and the Grand Lake Adaptive Management Program. Although impacts from the Cameron Peak fire will undoubtedly be significant for water users whose water supply depends on these watersheds, the impact on the CBT project directly is expected to be less significant due to the location of the burn area relative to our infrastructure. Assessments are currently being conducted by Rocky Mountain National Park and the Forest Service burn area emergency response teams. We do not know the full scope yet, as the assessments have not been completed. Therefore, our recovery plans have not yet been fully formulated. Because there's now snow on the ground and we are entering winter, our ability to implement structural measures and get treatments on the ground will be limited. We're looking at installing debris booms and preparing for necessary infrastructure maintenance that will be needed once runoff begins. We remain committed to working with stakeholders as we navigate the recovery process and will communicate plans and progress as they become available.